All right, I have that truck right there, the SUV rather, to get the snow off of, and I got that one right there to get the snow off of. Luckily, with this one, I have a one of those little snow protector things. But my thing is getting my feet wet and cold because of this right here. This is nothing but ice. This ain't nothing but ice. So hopefully I don't fall on my ass trying to get over here to it. Uh-oh, look. That ain't nothing but freaking ice. Oh, shit. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. But yes, I'm using this broom as a cane. Holy moly. Oh, so, damn, look at that, y'all. I know you're not supposed to take a broom to this. I got that broom right there. And that mess is not going anywhere. Wow. Okay. Let me try to get this because I have to sort this no matter what. I have to be at work at 8 a.m. Well, I was able to start the car. Oh shit, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. Well, here's the front of vehicle number 1 that needs to be dusted off. And once I get a little bit more strength, you guys, because I also deal with lupus, and I really shouldn't be out here doing this, but so I couldn't do it by myself. It wore me out just to doing that little bit. So I had to have my son to come out and help me get this snow and ice. Yeah, it's that protector right there. It's that he act like he think he's from Alaska, cause he gonna holler about he didn't need no bigger coat on, cause he likes this type of weather. Well, I'm glad he does, because I sure don't. And the thing that's in the back to scrape that, I don't know why I didn't think to get it out the trunk. Be careful, don't fall. My boy's in the wilderness. Look at him. You don't get the other side. You gonna give us thumbs up? Oh, now see that right there is unacceptable. He's just so despicable. But like I said, I got this one, and then I got that one to do. Who's out here? Me and you. I actually think I'm gonna get London out here. His big butt been got right down in the ground. Not that's all right. Hey, don't compare my boy to no Shannon Sharpe. All right.
Shannon Sharpe after the 2 hip surgery.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh shit. Hey, but he likes that weather. Ooh, look at him go. I guess we wouldn't have to so much worry about the top.
Did you know you left the window open?
Shit. If I left the window open, it's probably snowing the inside of the dang car. But my thing is trying to get over this, all that. So, vehicle number 2. Hold on. I want you to see this thing of how, look at that hole. You can't do hers like that because she don't have the,
I know I can't do her window like
yeah,
that.
exactly.
I know.
I gotta watch it before I be on my ass. Well, shit, is all that ice? Wow. And then Piper done left the neighbor a surprise. I'm gonna have to go get. She left some turds.
Why are you saying that out loud?
Because I said I gotta go get it. I'm getting ready to go get it. I'm getting ready to go get it.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, boy, we ain't worried about it. Come on. Because guess what? It's getting ready to get picked up. Come on. Come on. On the road again. He just can't wait to be on the road again. Ooh, shit. Look at that. That's my boy. Look at my boy go. Oh, he must have came out here because I don't see where he had actually left up out of here.